The molecule I'm demonstrating to build is ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid contains the carboxylic acid functional group. The carboxylic acid functional group is made up of a CO double bond, a carbonyl group, and a hydroxyl group, OH group. Therefore, the elements present in ethanoic acid are 2 carbon atoms, 4 hydrogen atoms, and 2 oxygen atoms. This gives us the molecular formula of C2H4O2, and the molecular weight of the molecule is 60.05 gram per mole. Due to the carboxylic acid functional group present, the IR stretches are going to be seen at 1700, that's the carbonyl group, and another stretch at 2500 to 3300 because of the hydroxyl group, which is influenced by the CO double bond, so it's going to be a broad stretch. The CO double bond is a pi bond, so it gives the molecule 1 degree of unsaturation. Ethanoic acid is a liquid at room temperature. It boils at 118 degrees Celsius and has a melting point of 16.6 degrees Celsius. Its common name is acetic acid, and it's used in industries, also in vinegar production. The hybridization of carbon atoms in the molecule is, it has one sp3 carbon, a carbon with no double bond or triple bond or single bonds, and one sp2 carbon, that is the carbonyl carbon. No sp carbon present in the molecule, and it doesn't have symmetry. The attached hydrogens in this molecule, it has a CH3 carbon, methyl. It has no methane, methane, or quaternary carbon, so there's only a methyl carbon present. There's a presence of OH in the molecule. It has one oxidation state of 3. So, to build the molecule, we attach 3 hydrogens to the carbon atom. 3 hydrogens are attached to the carbon atom. These are first carbon. First carbon, keep it aside. Then we build the carbon to oxygen double bond. These are pi bond. We build our oxygen and hydrogen group, the hydroxyl group. This hydroxyl group attaches to the carbonyl group, and we have our functional group C double bond to O, single bond to oxygen, oxygen single bond to hydrogen, COOH, carboxylic acid functional group. The carboxylic acid functional group is joined to the methyl carbon, forming our ethanoic acid molecule CH3 CH3 C double bond to O, single bond to O single bond to hydrogen, CH3COOH.